Hare Krishna, welcome to Ved Sarthi. We are reading Srila Prabhupada Leelamrit as it is. Today's topic is Adi Leela 1.3. Srila Prabhupada says, in 1875, Bhaktivinoda Thakur predicted that someone would come very soon who would individually preach this cult all over the world. So we'll take some excerpts related to this specific topic. So first excerpt is Srila Prabhupada's conversation in Vrindavan. Here Srila Prabhupada says, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted that his message should be broadcast all over the world, in every village and every town, and my Guru Maharaj attempted. Bhaktivinoda Thakur distributed his literature. I think in 1896, he sent his first book, Teachings of Lord Chaitanya, and I saw in McGill University that book. And I do not know, that was the year of my birth also, 1896. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted that his message should be spread all over the world, in every town, every village. And Srila Prabhupada's Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he attempted to spread Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings to the entire world. Similarly, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he also attempted to fulfill this desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he distributed his first book, that was actually Life and Precepts of Lord Chaitanya. He distributed that book across the world in different educational institutions and libraries. And he did this in 1896, and that was the same year when Srila Prabhupada was born. So just see the significance of 1896. That was the year in which the seed of Hare Krishna revolution was planted by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And the same year, Srila Prabhupada, who actually carried out the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu successfully, he was born. Next, so Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur had predicted about Srila Prabhupada. That was in year 1875. So in Srila Prabhupada's letter to Jai Pataka Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada says, so far as cooperating with my God brothers is concerned, that is not very urgent business. So far until now, my God brothers have regularly not cooperated with me, and by the grace of my spiritual master, things are still going ahead. So very, very important. That means when one is completely surrendered to his Guru Maharaj, he gets the complete grace of his Guru Maharaj. And then even if one doesn't get support from the contemporaries, but by the grace of the spiritual master, one definitely attains success. So further, Srila Prabhupada says, so cooperation or non-cooperation, it is the desire of Bhaktivinoda Thakur to preach the Chaitanya cult all over the world. And in 1875, he predicted that someone would come very soon who would individually preach this cult all over the world. So years before Srila Prabhupada was born, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur predicted about him. So if his benediction is there and my Guru Maharaj's blessings are there, we can go ahead without any impediment. But all of us must be very sincere and serious. So Srila Prabhupada is telling his disciple to have full faith on the blessings of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Maharaj. And he says that we can go ahead without any impediment. But one requirement, that we all of us must be very sincere and serious. Next, Srila Prabhupada's conversation with Canadian ambassador to Iran. Here Srila Prabhupada is saying about Bhaktivinoda Thakur that he sent his first book in 1896. Bhaktivinoda Thakur was the first origin of this movement, but he simply thought of it, and he was expecting some others that willing to take up the work. Well, somebody says that I am the same man, and I was born in 1896. So he wanted to combine the whole civilized nations under this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cult, Hare Krishna movement. I think I have given this hint in the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. So here Srila Prabhupada is saying that the original source of this movement across the world is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur desired that others should join and should be willing to take up this work. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to combine the whole civilized nations under Hare Krishna movement. And Srila Prabhupada actually fulfilled the prophecy and the desire of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That's all on Adi Leela 1.3. Our next topic would be Adi Leela 1.4. The name was kept Abhay. Abhay means there is no fear of death of this child. In my maternal uncle's house, because I was born on the Nandotsav, they kept my name Nanda Dulal. Thank you. We dedicate this channel and all these videos to our Guru Maharaj, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Thakur, Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Thank you. Hare Krishna.